Good morning, students. Students, this is your science class, and today I'm going to start chapter 2 of your science. So, children, be ready with your book and please turn the page number 24 of your book. And, children, in today's class, we will study about skeletal system. So, now let's come to the chapter. Children, in this chapter, we will discuss about the following points. The first point that we will discuss about, that is skeletal system. Children, what is the skeletal system? Children, skeletal system is a hard framework, is a very hard framework of bones that serve many functions, and it gives shape and strength to our body. And it is a bony cake that protects the internal organs of the body. And the next point that we will discuss about, major bones and their functions. And children, in this topic we will discuss about importance of bones also. And the next point that we will discuss is joints. And in this point we will know about importance of joints also. And the next thing that we will discuss about is muscles. Children, muscles, how the muscles are important for our human body. We will discuss about this also. And the chaos of bones, muscles and joints we will know about also. So children, now please turn page number 25. Students, now start reading the chapter. Children, our body performs different activities by the coordination of different organ systems. And one such organ system is skeletal system that works in coordination with muscular system. In this chapter, we will study about the bones, muscles and major joints in our body. So now first of all, let's discuss about the skeletal system. Children, the skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones that serve many functions, such as it gives shape and strength to the body. Children, you know, we have a structure of our body. Every human, even animals, even words also have a structure, and the structure of any body is because of the skeletal system. The skeletal system provides a shape to the body. And children, it is a bony cake that protects the internal organs of the body. In this picture, you can also see the skeletal system. Children, this is a structure. This is a structure of human body. And it is provided by the skeletal system. Why? The skeletal system. Children, the framework of all bones together is known as skeleton. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. Bones and muscles together help in the movements of the body. Children, you know how many bones are there in a human body? Children, there are 206 bones in an adult human body. And children, bones and muscles together help in the movements of the body. Now children, let's know major bones and their functions. Children, the skeletal system consists of all the bones in our body. The human body has different types of bones. They are of different shapes and sizes. They are mainly made up of the minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. Our bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus. Calcium makes the bones strong. Children, the major bones of the skeleton include skull, limbs. Limbs means bones of arms and legs. Backbone, rib cage, that is chest bone, and jaw bone. These are the major bones of the skeletal system. Now children, first of all, let's know about the skull. Children, the skull is a bony framework that protects the brain. It is skull. And in the skull, this is the part of jawbone. Children, the skull is made up of 22 bones. How many bones? 22 bones. The skull is made up of 22 bones. The upper part is made of 8 flat bones joined together, which protects the brain. The remaining 14 bones of the skull together form the frame of the face. All the bones of the skull are fixed and immovable except the lower jaw. You can move it, means it is a movable part of our body. Now let's know about jawbone. Children, it is the largest and the strongest bone in the face. Jawbone is the largest and strongest bone in the face. It is also called the mandible. It forms the lower jaw and holds the lower teeth in place. It is the only movable bone of the skull and helps us to bite, speak, and chew food. Children, you know, we are able to speak, we are able to chew our food that we eat, and we are able to bite anything because of our jawbone. Because of our jawbone. Now children, let's know about backbone. Children, backbone, the skull is attached to the backbone, which forms the main axis of the skeleton that helps us to stand erect. It is also known as the vertebral column or spine. It is also called spine. It is made of 33 small bones called vertebrae. And children, they are placed one above the other and allow us to bend and twist our back. Children, backbone encloses and protects spinal cord that contains nerves and blood vessels. Now let's know about rib cage. What is a rib cage in our body? Children, the rib cage is a bony structure present in the chest region. It encloses and protects the heart and the lungs. It is made up of 12 pairs of the thin bow-shaped bones called ribs. What? Ribs. All the 12 pairs are attached to backbone, but only 10 pairs are attached to the sternum. in front. The sternum is a long, flat bone that lies in the center. This is sternum. And children, it is a long and flat bone that lies in the middle, in the center of the rib cage. This is rib cage and this is sternum. Sternum is the middle part of the rib cage and it is the center part of the rib cage. The remaining two last pairs are not attached to the sternum. These two pairs are called the floating ribs. These two parts are called floating ribs. And this is sternum